Hello. You probably have heard how you can sell globally on Amazon and all the benefits that it brings to sellers like you. Well, if you haven't, simply go to amazon.com/AGS for Amazon Global Selling to learn more, or simply search Amazon Global Selling. There you go. Now, if you'd like to get started and you already know about all these things, the first step is for you to register your seller account. It's straightforward and easy, and I will show you how to do that. So here's a shortcut to go to the registration page. Simply type j.mp/reg for register, sell, Amazon. So that's j.mp/reg sell Amazon. And you'll be seeing this registration page where you can start to create your account. So first, type the email address that you will be registering. And then choose the first radio button here that says create a new account, and then click on continue. All right, on the next page, simply type in your first and last name. And your email address is already there. Simply type the email address one more time to confirm it. And also create your password. And once you're done with that, just simply click on continue button to go to the next step. All right, so in this step, you need to type in your legal name. So if you're representing a business, type in your business name here. Or if you're an individual, you can just type in your full name over here. And then you can read the agreement and tick this checkbox to confirm your agreement. And then click on continue button to go to the next step. All right. Now on this page, simply type in your display name. So this can be your shop name that will appear on Amazon store. And also complete your address and complete with the city, state, postal, and zip code. Choose the correct country, and then you put in the correct phone number, including the country code. And lastly, this is optional. If you know your category, the main product category that you will be selling, you can choose it right here. All right, after you complete all those details, simply click on Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. Okay, so on the next step, you'll be asked to enter your credit card number. So simply type in all the 16-digit number of your credit card, including the expiry date and the cardholder name. Once you're done with that, simply click on Save and Continue and move on to the next step. Okay, the next step now is the phone verification. So you can choose the radio button here, whether to receive a phone call from Amazon or receive a text message. So for this example, I will choose to receive a phone call. So you just need to make sure that the correct phone number is written down here, including the country code. And then choose the language, and just choose English, and then click on Call Me Now. Now you receive a phone call from Amazon, so you simply answer the phone call and type the PIN, which is written down there, which is the 4-digit number. So just simply put it in a telephone and you'll get verified. As you can see here, I've just completed the phone verification, and now the step is complete. So just simply need to click on Continue button to continue to the next step. All right, so the next step is the text identity information. So simply click on the Launch Interview Wizard button here, and you'll be taken to the step here. So the first is to answer and declare that I am not a US person, so click No here, and click on Save and Continue. on the following one, I'll be asked what kind of business I am. So I'm an individual, so I just simply choose the first option, and I choose the country where I am staying right now, and then put your full name, either your full name as a person or the business name. The next is to fill in the permanent address, and then the mailing address as well. So I simply choose same as permanent address. And then the last is you have these 4 checkboxes just to confirm that you are not a US citizen and not eligible for this. So therefore, I'm leaving all this unchecked and simply click on Save and Continue. On the next page, you'll be presented with this form. So simply scroll all the way down and confirm by clicking Save and Continue. Finally, on this step, simply click on the first radio button, which is the consent and the electronic signature. You can read these checkboxes and confirm that everything is correct. So I tick everything here and confirming that I'm not a US citizen and I don't stay in US. Next is to type the name, your name, just you type it down there, and the email address that you use to register for this. And for capacity, again, I choose individual. I simply click on Submit button to confirm this. All right, so this is now the final page of the text interview. Simply scroll all the way down, and all the information is all entered. Simply click on the Exit Interview button to complete the whole process. Now the text identity information is completed. Click on Complete Registration button to complete the whole process. And that's it. You're done. Isn't that easy? Now you can log into Seller Central and start to create your listing and start selling on Amazon.com. All right, so the next step here is a simple wizard to help you to get started. Simply answer the questions and the checkboxes here appropriately, and this wizard will be able to guide you through and help you with the setup process. Simply answer all the 3 steps, and on the following steps, you'll be guided on what to do next to help you to create your store setup. All right, so that's it that I have for today. So thanks for watching. And happy selling.